Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we will learn about conditional statements. Conditional statements are part of every programming language. With conditional statements, we can have code that sometimes runs and at other times does not run, depending on the conditions of the program at that time. When we fully execute each statement of a program, moving from the top to the bottom with each line executed in order, we are not asking the program to evaluate specific conditions. By using conditional statements, program can determine whether certain conditions are being met and then be told what to do next. We will start with the if statement, which will evaluate whether a statement is true or false and run code only in the case that the statement is true. Let's create a new file, if statement. Let's start by assigning two variables, num1 10 and num2 20. And let's apply a condition. If num1 is greater than num2, then print this message that the num1 is greater than num2. Else num2 is greater than num1. The result is num2 is greater than num1 and the num1 is greater than num2. Let's apply a new condition with else if. If num1 is greater than 10, then print this message. Else if num1 is greater than 20, then print this message. Else if num1 is greater than 30, then print this message. So according to different conditions, we can use if else or if else if else. We can make this condition more clear by modifying these lines, like putting the highest value first and here is the result. And by changing the number, you can see that the result is changing according to the condition. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.